Do you use Microsoft 365 for collaboration in your company? Chances are you might experience the dark side of collaboration at some point. Too many groups, too many users, too much information, and no overview. Uh-oh. You're inviting the chaos monster into your company. Instead of facilitating collaboration and productivity, the chaos monster causes frustration and anxiety. You just lose valuable time. So, how can you fight the chaos monster? With EasyLife 365. EasyLife 365 fights the chaos monster and allows you to build a self-maintaining Microsoft 365 collaboration environment. Essentially, it offers complete freedom for users, full control for administrators, and a Microsoft 365 ecosystem that's self-administered. EasyLife 365 makes governance easy. It should be easy for your end users to create new Microsoft Teams, groups, Yammer groups, and invite guest accounts. Likewise, it should be easy for your admins to keep track of all these assets. Most governance tools focus on IT and require the admins to act. That's why we take a completely different approach with EasyLife 365. We empower the end user to take responsibility for their assets. EasyLife 365 provides templates and policies for organized productivity. Templates control the creation experience, and we have templates from everything from Teams, SharePoint, groups, Yammers, and even guest accounts for B2B guest user management. EasyLife 365 will remind the owners of the asset to perform governance tasks regularly or when a change requires immediate action. Make your collaboration smooth and your life stress-free with EasyLife 365. Book your demo at easylife365.cloud now.